Hi, 8th grade students. I'm recording this video because some people are telling me about how they are having troubles with making drawing shapes on a Google Slides problem. So don't look at any of these. I'm not actually going to do a math problem. All I'm going to do is make a triangle using my Google Slides tools, just to demonstrate for you how to make shapes on Google Slides. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make some points and put those points down. And then after you make your points, you make your lines to connect those points. So to make points, I'm going to go to the Shape tool. Here's Shapes. I go across. I click on this tool that says oval. I mean, it's really a circle, but it calls it oval. I'm going to make there. So that's one point that I just made. It's just a small circle sitting on that coordinate point. That coordinate is x negative 2, y positive 2. Okay, I'll go make another point, oval, there. Finally, I'm going to do one more, there. So there, I just made 3 points. The circles aren't perfect, but I'm not asking for absolute perfect art. It just needs to be clear enough for me to tell where you want your point to be, like what corner you want it on. If you have a point like kind of over here, that point it's not on this coordinate over here, and it's not on this coordinate over here. It's kind of in the middle. I can't give you any points for that. It just needs to sit. It may not be exactly centered on it, but so like that is totally fine. I mean, it's not completely centered on this coordinate, but it's still touching it, so I know what coordinate you want. If you do something like this, then you're touching a bunch of different coordinates, and I don't know which one you want. There. Then finally, once you have your points where you want them to be, click the line, here's the line tool. So again, you want to select line. So, okay, it's not selected right now. Let me try again. There. This plus cursor is telling me that I can use the line tool now. So put my line down on one point and finish it on another point. There. Click the line tool again. Start the line on one point, end it on another point. Select the line tool again. Start the line down on one point, finish it on another point. There. This does not look perfect. It looks like a very weird triangle, but it gets the job done. Okay? That is the best, easiest way that you can draw shapes in Google Slides, and it's clear for me, your teacher, what you actually wanted your shape to be, where you wanted it to be, how many points you wanted it to be, where you wanted the points to be, all of that. Okay, that's all. Thank you, guys.